Lakewood, when your water heater fails, your home's comfort and routine grind to a halt, but Belmar Lake Plumbing is here to reignite the heat with unstoppable energy. Our expert team responds at lightning speed, diagnosing your water heater's every quirk, from pilot light outages and strange noises to leaks and cold spots, and delivering precise repairs that restore hot water fast. When repairs can't bring back peak performance, we step up with high-efficiency replacement systems. Engineered for Colorado winters, lowering your energy bills and boosting reliability. We guide you through the best tank or tankless options, matching capacity and features to your household's needs, then install with surgical precision. Imagine mornings warmed by consistent, reliable hot water, no more surprise cold showers, and no more stress over a failing unit. That's the peace of mind Belmar Lake Plumbing guarantees. Rapid response times, clear communication at every step, and work performed with the respect your home deserves. We know Lakewood's unique plumbing challenges, so we choose proven brands, durable parts, and advanced techniques that stand up to local conditions. Our local crews work clean, test thoroughly, and ensure your system operates flawlessly before we leave, so you feel the difference immediately. Don't wait for a full breakdown to restore your water heater's power. Protect your home's comfort. And safety today by trusting Lakewood's premier experts. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing and experience hot water you can count on every single day.